So I have this old World War II engine I got out of my grandfather's house, and I did a little bit of work on it to get it to work, to get it running and stuff. I mean, the fuel's still leaking right out of it like there's no tomorrow, but somewhere around a World War II engine. So we'll see if it runs today. It's about 20 degrees out, so it should be, it might not start. Oh, that time it almost ran. There it is, it's running. It's gonna run out of gas soon, but... There we go. So I guess it does run. It was pretty cold today. It's like 20 degrees out here, so I was actually surprised it ran. I'm gonna try to find a new carburetor for it and see if I can get the thing not to leak. And I don't know. So this was bought. My grandfather either bought it or it was given to him back probably in the 1960s, 1970s, and he was gonna make a go-kart out of it. So I have the go-kart frame, so I might try to put this on a go-kart and see what it can do. I don't remember what size it is. I think it's an 8 horsepower, but it might be only a 5. And you can't read anything on the plate because it's been sitting in my grandfather's basement for years. So that was an achievement at least.